Hello guys, welcome back to Dear Archie. This is Diwali week and I'm sitting in Shimla right now. This look is actually inspired from a movie called Sufna. It's a Punjabi movie, guys. You can watch it in Amazon Prime. I really like that movie and I really like the look in that film of that actress to just wear a normal simple suit along with some large earrings, just do the normal braiding, apply some mascara, apply some your lipsticks. I got a request from one of my subscriber. She's a lady asking me whether she should go for plastic surgery or not. Shall we start? Why we focus so much on beauty? Like some people, yeah, they do want to look beautiful just to get some validation from other people, just to get some validation from the society. I think you should look beautiful not just for the society but for your own self. You should always level up yourself, be the best person and the better person each passing day. Like, after porn industry, the beauty industry is the second most industry getting the maximum profits and maximum consumers. So many beautiful pictures of ladies, even in magazines, even in Instagram, even in all of your social media accounts. Because of that, some women feel a little insecure about body structure, or you may feel a little insecure about the fact that, oh, maybe my nose is not that chiseled, maybe my lips are not that fuller. When it comes to plastic surgery, a lot of people find it as the ultimate solution just to cover their insecurities up and just to feel a little better. It's not bad if you're looking about it or if you're thinking about it. Every girl in her lifetime has thought about going for plastic surgery once in a lifetime, and it's totally normal thinking about it. But I want to address some important things when you are going for plastic surgeries which might affect your life not in a positive manner, and you might regret later that this is the worst decision of my life when it comes to plastic surgeries. If your plastic surgeon who is gonna do the surgery is not a professional surgeon, it might go for a toss. So, people who are not so happy with their natural looks, they see all the plastic beauties in Instagram having, you know, perfect figure, and I will not name it. I think you guys are mature enough to understand what I'm talking about. Seeing Kim Kardashians and other celebrities having all the plastic surgeries, know that in this world you are just competing with plastic beauties which are actually not real. And even celebrities who have a lot of plastic surgeries, before coming in front of the camera, they have to do the perfect makeup, they have to do the perfect hairstyling, skincare routines before coming in front of the camera. You might feel as a woman that might be my nose is not that chiseled, might be my lips are not that fuller, like I saw in Instagram models and I saw in Instagram pictures of other people. Plastic surgeries are not fun. Know that your plastic surgeries, the chance of getting a successful surgery is always 50-50. It might came out correctly, it might not came out correctly, even if you hire a professional plastic surgeon in your area or in your country. The second thing you need to remind yourself is people don't stop once they get one surgery. For example, if any girl go for a liposuction surgery to get fuller lips, she doesn't stop there. Why? Because we humans are very greedy creatures. We humans want everything perfect. So once your lips are perfect, you go for your nose. If you don't like your nose that well enough, you are going to get your nose surgery. Once your nose is done, once your lips are done, you are again gonna get your chiseled jawlines. Again, you are going for multiple surgeries. People just don't stop at one surgery. You can see so many celebrities in India, in fact, who have gone for multiple surgeries. Once they get to know they got the desired result, if the surgery is gone out totally perfect, they are gonna get another surgery. What you forget in the process is, as soon as your aging starts, your skin gets gravitational pull and it starts sagging more and more. So, if you are aging naturally without any surgeries, you will still end up looking much better when you are aging with your plastic surgeries year after year. Your body and your figure will look so much more distorted that you will start hating your body at one point of time. Believe me, I'm telling you from the various experience girls had who have undergone plastic surgeries. Once a woman gets a plastic surgery, and I'm not kidding, 90% of the time, after 3 or 4 years, sometimes they develop tumors, sometimes they develop some kind of cancers, sometimes they develop some kind of medical conditions and complications which really needs serious attention. And 90% of the time they always get mental depression. It's like a mental torture to your body. Why? Because your physical self is not going to get back the same. You're gonna start hating it, and at one point of time you will realize that your plastic surgery was a bad move. You want to again reverse that fact by again going to the same surgeon and telling them to remove your plastic surgeries, which has happened to so many ladies. You have a YouTube, you can just search in the YouTube how many ladies has come in front of camera crying every day, talking about their plastic surgeries, either gone wrong or even if it has gone right, they have developed some kind of serious complications in their bodies after 3 or 4 years. Videos are full of those crying women. Some women have even suicidal thoughts about it because they get so mentally sick about it that their bodies, they were not able to sleep properly, they are not able to sit properly at one place because of those surgeries, and it has really taken a toll on their personal health, personal lifestyle, mental health. It has ruined everything for them. So, after doing the thorough research, I came to a conclusion that plastic surgery do come with a lot of side effects which you will only realize after certain years when you will start aging, when your skin will start sagging, you will start having wrinkles on your skin. You can always level up. You want your perfect jawline, you have your perfect contour in place. Learn some makeup techniques from maybe YouTube or from any makeup artist. I will feel that is still a better way to approach this problem rather than for complete plastic surgeries, which might affect you in the long run and in a very bad manner, because all plastic surgeries comes with their own expiry date and their own side effects. Okay, now what are the conditions where plastic surgeries are a boon and an advantage to human society? In India, you can see a lot of girls get an acid attacks. There are a lot of acid attack survivor victims. For example, you might know the famous celebrity Kangna Ranaut. Her elder sister named Rangoli. She once upon a time, she was the most beautiful lady. Some revenge by some guy, she got acid attack on her face. She's an acid attack survivor victim. She had to undergo plastic surgery because her face was completely burnt. Can be anything, like somehow you burnt your face or your body parts, like just like an example of an acid attack. Yeah, some things like that where you feel ki the body or the face is completely burnt. And situations like these, there is no other way to get back your looks or to even make your looks a little better. I highly encourage those ladies who are acid victim survivors, or who it might be a serious car accident or anything you underwent and you just completely lost your original looks and you want to get back into something better. You just can't see in the mirror and you feel ashamed and you feel embarrassed and you feel so low that your self esteem is shattered, your outlook towards life has been shattered, and every time you look your face in the mirror and look your body in the mirror and you feel like just giving up, plastic surgery is the solution. Afford some money and go get your plastic surgeries done, ladies. But if you have a normal body, if you have a normal structure, if you're just not happy with your looks, learn some makeup techniques rather than going for plastic surgeries, because as you will age more and more, your body will sag more and more, your skin will sag more and more. At one point of time you will be old and you want to still look genuine, authentic even after you get old. Believe me, plastic surgery is not the solution for you guys. You are all setting yourself up for wrong beauty standards when you are watching those Instagram models, Instagram photos of celebrities. It's not worth it. If you don't believe me, you can still watch all the beautiful ladies who underwent plastic surgeries and how their plastic surgery after certain years went to a total flop show, total failure, crying and screaming about it on in front of the camera. You have plenty of videos around you. So don't get fooled, girls. If anybody tells you, like, you know what, you should get some plastic surgery done on this and on that, I don't recommend that. After doing that plastic surgery, I feel all the girls look the same. Do you want to look same, or do you want to really look unique? Trust me, if you look unique, if you look different than other girls, that will mark more importance to you, even if it is imperfections. For example, since I have recreated that Sufna movie look, in the movie you can clearly see that the actress has a lot of dark spots here in this area. I don't know the name of that actress, but you can clearly see still she was looking so beautiful even with those little tiny, spots. That's what make that girl unique. That's what make that girl stand out from rest of the crowd. For example, I tell you my experience. When I was a kid, I had this birth mole. You can trust me, I used to hate this mole. I used to think like one day when I will have a lot of money, and when one day when I will be able to afford the money, I'll just get it removed. The maximum compliments I got was for this black mole. But that's what makes me unique. That's what makes me different from rest of the girls. That's what makes me stand out from rest of the crowd. No matter how much you like it or not, there will be some things which you want to remove from your face, which you want to remove from certain part of your body, but that's what's making you unique. Nobody wants you to be the perfect human being. Even if you are the most beautiful girl hearing, listening this video right now, no matter how much beautiful you become, no matter how much perfect looking you become, there will always be another girl who looks much more beautiful than you, who looks much more perfect than you. No matter how much intelligent you are, there will always be another person who can just kill your intelligence in just 5 seconds. 5 seconds. It will take for him to crash you down because that person is more intelligent than you. Nobody is perfect. So don't go for wrong beauty standards. You are always competing with the plastic beauties. You are not competing with the actual human beings. You are competing with the filters people apply on their photos. You are competing with the plastic surgeries. And then you compare yourself with others, and then you feel like, oh, so she has the perfect jawline, or she has the perfect lips I ever dreamed of, and I want to get my lips done, I want to get my nose done, I want to get my jawlines done. If you think you look the best, guess what? You look the best. If you think you don't look the best, no matter how much ever people starts telling you, oh, she's beautiful, if you don't think you look the best, you don't look the best. So it's more of a self-esteem issue in my sense, because we have all the access to learn all the beauty techniques nowadays. You can follow any YouTube channel, you can follow any beauty channel. If you want to, level up your beauty game, you can learn some makeup techniques and you will still look far better than going for plastic surgeries. I will strongly recommend, don't go for plastic surgeries, ladies. You are looking wonderful the way you are with just small makeup done. Even if you get bored of one particular makeup brand, you can switch to another makeup brand. Even if you get bored of any particular jewelry and outfit, you can always buy new outfits, you can always go for new jewelries. But in terms of plastic surgeries, the cost of reversing the plastic surgeries is huge. It's almost double the amount of plastic surgery amount you go for normally, and the amount of mental depression people face is just another aspect. Be mindful of it. I think awareness is more important. Don't just blindly follow the system, don't just blindly follow the society rules, don't just blindly follow the fake beauty rules people project nowadays in social media, girls. They are not the way they look in front of the camera, they are not the way they look or speak the way. People just project a certain way, but they might be different from how they appear to you. A lot of ladies, the college girls, you are still in your best years now. You are still young. You have beautiful skin. People undergone plastic surgery. Everybody looks the same. Do you want to look the same or do you want to look different? I leave it on you. You don't need to go for any hectic plastic surgeries on your body. You don't need any cuts in your body. Fake beauty standards, I will say. Don't compare yourself with those things. It's actually a stupid thing to compare your body with those fake beauty standards which you see in social media nowadays. Trust me, it's not worth it. Trust me. I hope you like this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you really like it, and wish you all a very happy Diwali. In YouTube, I have made my comments public so anybody can read it, and you want to discuss it in private, message me in my Instagram account, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Till then, enjoy your Diwali, have a prosperous week, love and light to your family and your friends. Happy Diwali. Bye-bye.